Hello friends, today we are explaining Dahua joystick. Dahua joystick model is NKB1000. Okay, this is one by one. We will explain to our channel. Okay, see guys, this is joystick Dahua. First of all, today we are discussed to how to reset Dahua joystick. Okay, some example total if default factory default how to default factory. Okay, see guys, see this is here escaping button. Press up to 10 to 15 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds. Wait, see guys, automatically reset completed. This is type of Dahua joystick, how to default method. Okay, thank you guys. I will explain to next video one by one how to operating total keyboard, how to function total keyboard. We will explain to one by one video. Thank you guys.